Well, we were starting off this vlog getting caught in a little bit of a rainstorm, but welcome back to another video. We're currently on our way to the mall. The mall to go do some... Oh, well, we were starting off this vlog getting caught in a little bit of a rainstorm, but welcome back to another video. We're currently on our way to the mall. The mall to go do some... Oh, anyways, we are going to the mall to go shopping to get some outfits for Paris. This is a little bit of a travel prep vlog video. Wow, words, Vanessa. Coming up to my favorite staircase in all of Toronto, because it's like a musical staircase. Can you hear it? Vibey. Okay, so Alan rarely lets me shop for him and said that I can just pick stuff and go for it. We have way too many shirts for him to pick from. We'll see how this goes. The shirt goes with those pants and the shoes. No, it looks good. Don't stand like that. Oh, okay. It's a medium. I think there was a small. I could go grab it. Yeah, that looks great. Oh, okay, yeah, that looks really good too. But is it too similar to that other top that you have like that's like that?
It is, but this is more so for like this.
Yeah, no,
like that's like evening. This is like during the day. Like,
no, I mean the top you already own.
Oh, it's...
The blue one? No? Okay.
So I like the colors on this one. And the pants are cool.
Yeah.
These are fun.
They look good. Good morning, you guys. Happy Wednesday. In classic Vanessa trip chaoticness, it is Wednesday. We leave for Paris at 5 p.m. today. It's currently 8 o'clock. I woke up at 6 a.m. and for the last 2 hours I have been sitting watching Paris travel vlogs and just researching things to do in Paris because Alan and I have been so busy that the list of restaurants, cafes, museums, like things to do in Paris was minuscule. It's much larger now because now I have a good little list going, but we've just been so chaotic and busy, hence why I'm now picking up this vlog as well 3 days later on the day that we leave for the trip. But I've been like making a list of last minute things I want to go and pick up. Alan got a pair of Sambas when we were at the mall on the weekend and I really want to get a matching pair, but I couldn't find any at the mall, so I'm gonna go down Queen Street and probably pop into a few stores and see. There's like not Sport Chek, there's Foot Locker and then the Adidas Original store, so I'm gonna go see if they have Sambas because I really want to get a matching pair with him. Let me show you the current packing situation because it is atrocious. I've just been throwing stuff at my suitcase because the weather keeps changing. Originally it was supposed to be like 18 and sunny and now it's supposed to be like 15, 16 and rainy in Paris, and so I'm like, how the F do I pack for this, because that is very, very different. And then also Nice is supposed to be nice. It's supposed to be like 21 and sunny, so that's warm. So I've just had difficulty, and I also haven't been feeling super great the last few days, so that knocked me out, but I'm better now, which is good. But let me show you the current packing situation because it's atrocious. I started just like lining up all the shoes and bags that I think I want to bring. I started just tossing some clothes that I think I want to bring in a pile, and then I have like some accessories and other purses up there. Definitely will need to organize this later. not definitely, like what am I even saying? Like I need to pack and be ready to go leave my house at 5 p.m. So we have a countdown of like 8 hours, I think. Yeah. So let the travel countdown begin. I've been watching Berta's vlogs as well as Elena Taber's vlogs. I think she moved to Paris this summer and just had like a ton of Paris videos. So I've been doing that, and I've compiled what I feel like is a decent list of like restaurants and then some things to do. Not all my things to do are in this list, and then started to work on Nice as well. But I'm gonna get dressed, ready for the day, and head out probably within the next hour. Stores open around 9 a.m. and I just want to get out, get done. I'm also thinking that I want to stop over at Best Buy and possibly pick up like a little external mic, because I loved my London vlog, but I think the thing that I had wished was better was the sound quality when I was talking about things. If I can get like a little external Bluetooth mic, I've never done that before, but I just think that the sound quality will be a lot better for the Paris and France vlogs, and I would really like that for you guys. But I'm gonna get ready. I've already had breakfast, had my coffee. Let's get this travel day started. Dressed and ready for the day. Here's the little errands outfit. It is now 9:30, so we're gonna head out. I'm wearing this little 437 crew neck, and then jeans are from Zara. But like I said, we have a few things that I want to get done. We're gonna go try and find a pair of Adidas Sambas. I was looking up to see if this camera can attach a mic. Turns out this camera sucks and cannot attach a mic. So I may or may not be upgrading to a new camera in the future. I love this little guy, but it sucks when I'm trying to vlog and just get better quality audio out and about. So we're gonna pilot that. I'm still gonna head over to Best Buy because Alan has a camera that I can attach a mic to. So we may just like switch back and forth cameras. Regardless, we have a few other little things to pick up. So let's head out. Finally, I've been to like 4 different stores. Taking a little lunch break. Some mishmash randomness that's left in my fridge of leftovers and some raw veggies for lunch. It's currently just past 1 p.m. so I have like 3 hours to organize my suitcase. I think that's a solid amount of time. I think I can do this. So while my Best Buy stop was unsuccessful in getting a mic, after 6 tries, I got the Adidas. I went to literally, 6 different stores between Foot Locker, Adidas, like actual Adidas original stores, and Foot Locker Kids, and like 2 of each of those. But we secured my Sambas so I can match with Alan. I was in search of the kids ones because the kids ones are cheaper than the women's or men's, even though they're the same size. So I got a like technical youth / men's 7, but they are the original Sambas. Alan has the same ones, and we really wanted to get matching pair for Paris. So now I have my first pair of Sambas, and I am an OG Adidas girl. Like growing up, I liked Adidas more than I liked Nike, and maybe that's just because I played soccer, but very excited to style these. These are, I'm not sure if these are gonna be my airport shoe or if I'm gonna bring another pair of sneakers on top of this. I still haven't decided. We will get to that though. And then I also stopped at H&M and grabbed a few little accessories. I thought this bow was too cute, just like a little hair bow, and then a giant pack of some burgundy colored socks, because that is kind of my color theme for this trip. I'm gonna attempt to start putting together outfits so I try and not overpack, even though I'm gonna overpack anyways. And this is the situation we're working with so far. I feel like I have most of my outfits situated. I have 2 that uses the same skirt, 1 pair of jeans that I can wear with like my airport hoodie, and then a few other skirts, pants, and tops that can all be like mixed and matched. I know this looks like chaos, and honestly it is a little bit, but I'm about to do the speediest packing job you have ever seen. It's 3:30, we leave in an hour. This all needs to go in the suitcase. I need to pack my toiletries, makeup, accessories. Let's do this. And just like that, everything is packed. I am changed, we are off. I hope you enjoyed this chaotic little travel, this little chaotic travel packing vlog. We'll see you in Paris.